this conversation pa lang, this part of our conversation actually brought or had me remember something na natutunan ko rin was that it's a lot better to really speak up those things. Like kung ano man yung mga nagawa sa'yo or ginawa mo sa ibang tao, like own up to it, like you said, be accountable to it. Like just say it right away because you'll never know what the other person how they will react ba. Ang mangyayari kasi if you start to really bottle it up, you're the only one carrying that burden.
Exactly.
Hindi yung other person.
Exactly.
Na parang kunyari, galit ka sa kanya, this person, this friend, your partner, whatever. Kasi may ginawa sila. And then, hindi mo sinabi for the sake of peace. Or hindi mo sinabi kasi titiisin mo na lang. Right? You're the one carrying that burden alone. Kasi di mo sinabi pa. And then that person is so clueless about what's really happening.
Exactly.